In this video we will study the reproduction, different types of the reproduction. So what is reproduction? That you have studied in the last video, the production of new generation of the individual of the same species which are physically independent of their parents. Reproduction, it is of two types, asexual reproduction and the sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is a reproduction in which single parent is involved. In case of the sexual reproduction, two parents are involved. In case of asexual reproduction, no meiosis, no gamete formation and no transfer of genetic material between the individual takes place. While all these steps they takes place in case of the sexual reproduction. Example of asexual reproduction is mostly the unicellular organisms like bacteria, protozoans like amoeba, paramecium. These are some examples. Then in some plants like algae and fungi. Now in this video we will study about the different methods of asexual reproduction. These methods which we will study are fission, fragmentation, regeneration, budding, spore formation, vegetative propagation and propagation by tissue culture. These are the methods by which asexual reproduction takes place. First of all, we study about the fission, the first method. What is fission? As the word says, fission means splitting. If we say the fission means it is the splitting of an organism. The splitting can be into two or it can be into the many. So what is fission? It is the splitting of a unicellular organism into two or more than two separate daughter cells. Means जब एक single unicellular organism two और मोर देन टू डॉटर सेल्स के अंदर ब्रेक डाउन होता है, दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज द फिजन. दिस फिजन इज ऑफ टू टाइप्स, बाइनरी फिजन and multiple fission. Binary fission, as the word says, bi means two. So the division of parent cell into the two smaller cells. Example, amoeba, leishmania. You must have heard the name of leishmania, which spread the Kala Azar, causal of Kala Azar fever. Then multiple fission, it is the division of parent cell into the many small cell. Example is the plasmodium. Now first we will study the binary fission, how it takes place in the amoeba. So this is the diagram of different steps of the binary fission which takes place in the amoeba. So first, students, what happened? This is the amoeba. You know, amoeba is a unicellular organism. This is the nucleus, this is cytoplasm and this is the cell membrane. So during the binary fission, first of all what happens, the nuclear division takes place, which is followed by the division of the cytoplasm. So first nucleus divide and then cytoplasm divide. So when amoeba obtain its maximum shape, then what happens, there is an appearance of a construction in the cell membrane. You can see here the appearance of a construction. This is the cell membrane. In the cell membrane, a construction appears in the cell membrane, right students? Now this grows transversely inward. Now आप देख रहे हैं कि ये transversely inward grow करता है, right? Then what happens? Now it separates the cytoplasm also, and now the nucleus divide into two, and again the cytoplasm also divide into two cells. Both the cells, the cytoplasm is also equally divide, and then what happens, the nucleus, it divides into two, and the cytoplasm which is present, that is also divided into two. So the two daughter cells formed which can separate from each other and behaves as two independent organisms. So first what happened, it grows into its maximum size, then a construction is formed in the cell membrane, and the nucleus, you can see it elongates, the nucleus divide into two, then cytoplasm also divides into two, and then this constructions break down and the organism, it divides into two, and from one individual it develops into the two. So that is why it is known as the binary fission. This is an example of binary fission in the amoeba. Now the next one is the multiple fission, which takes place in the plasmodium. Okay, so in the plasmodium, now what happens? Now in this division, the parent cell divides into so many smaller, nearly equal sized daughter individuals. During multiple fission, you can see this is the nucleus of the parent cell. It divides into the many daughter cells. So nucleus, single nucleus, it divides into many, means several times this nucleus divide and it forms the so many daughter nuclei. Then what happens? These daughter nuclei, they are arranged along the periphery of the parent cell. These daughter nuclei are arranged along the periphery of the parent cell, and later on the cytoplasm also divides into many pieces as the number of nuclei are there. So first nucleus divide, then the cytoplasm which is present, that also divide, and that cytoplasm covers each nucleus. Then what happens again? So each uninucleate piece develops, an outer membrane also is developed, and then finally the parent cell divide into several uninucleate daughter individuals which behaves like an individual organism, and then the cyst breaks and these individuals, they comes out and then they grow into the new individuals. So that is how the multiple fission takes place. From one single organism, many organisms are formed. That this happens in the plasmodium.